Yeah, yeah. Buddha bang, yeah. Girlfriend, if I know you, I know you, yeah.
Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So for all you guys who are coming over to my channel for the first time, hi, my name is Toya. I'm from Jamaica, and as usual, I'm not naked. I promise I'm not naked. So this is a collaboration with my girl Janielle Wright. If you guys don't know who Janielle is, I don't know where you've been, but baby girl's makeup game is like friggin' the best. She's YouTube's very own curvy diva. You don't know what she do the thing. And if you guys love Marla, then you will definitely love her daughter Noah. She's the cutest thing. So I contacted her and asked her to do this collab with me, and she said yes. Mama, thanks so freaking much for doing this collab with me. And guys, like this look is like about to be lit. I know you guys see the thumbnail, and I know you guys know what is about to go down right now. I don't know where exactly Janielle is from, but I know she is of Caribbean descent or Caribbean origin, something like that. Yeah, so go ahead and check out my girl. I'm going to have the link down below. The first link in the description will take you over to her channel. Tell her that I sent you. Please just leave a comment, tell her that Toya sent you. We just really wanted to show you guys that yo, Caribbean girls run it. And I didn't know this already, but we had to remind you guys, you know, just in case you forgot. But I didn't know where I was going to go with this look, guys. I had no idea what direction I was going in. I just know I wanted something that looked festive and tropical, and this is what I came up with. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this collaboration, about this look. We're on our way to 20k. Don't forget to hit subscribe before you left. Good day. Also follow me on Snapchat and all them, some of the Instagram, Facebook. Yeah, all those links are going to be down below in the description bar, so go ahead and click it so you can follow me to keep up with me on the daily and see what I'm doing. Hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs as well. If you haven't checked out any of my vlogs yet, don't worry, there will be some links down below, and you can also just head on over to the channel, alright? And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, enjoy this look. Alright guys, so I'm going to be starting off with my brows first. For my brows, I'm starting off by using this Flawless Brow Stick from Black Up Cosmetics. Like, I can literally fill in my brows using this in like a minute. So I do think the product is pretty good. So go ahead and check out the full review on this. So I'm just gonna brush it out a little bit. I'm gonna clean up with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, like probably the most popular concealer ever. I'm just gonna clean up my brows using this. Alright guys, my brows are done. I'm gonna prime my eyes using this Milani Secret Cover Concealer in the color number 1, which is Warm Beige. I want a very bright base because I want these colors to really just show up. So I'm putting this all over the eyes. And I'm just going to go in with my beauty blender and just kind of stipple that in a bit. So for this look today, I picked up this Santee Adorable Beauty Secret palette. It's in the color number 4, and this is a drugstore palette, super affordable, and it has some very nice colors in there. Hope you guys can see that. I think I want to use this for the entire look. You know, I'm not sure, but I think so. So I'm gonna use first color, this brown right here. I'm going to use this first, and I'm using that onto this Beige Cosmetics large blending brush, and I'm applying it just right above my crease. So right below that light brown, I'm going in with this darker brown color with a smaller blending brush. And I don't know what direction this look is going in, guys. I am just winging it. What else are we winging? I don't know what else I do something. I'm just going to take this concealer brush and apply some more of Warm Beige, and I'm going to use this to kind of create like a pronounced lid or like a half cut crease business. I don't know. I'm just going to apply that right here. Now I'm going to apply this peach color all over my lid.
Yeah, say you never me want you. Yeah, if I know you, me no want no bad day. And if I know you, me can't get on it, girl. So how you walk away from me? Simple pencil make you draw away from me. Girl, if I know you, me no want no bad day.
Now I'm going to take a pencil brush with this matte black, and I'm going to kind of carve out my cut crease mainly on the outside part of my eye, just to give it some depth and definition. And I'm just using a clean blending brush to blend that out. Now I'm going to use the same brush and pick up some of this like bright pink and put it on the outer part of my crease. It's kind of like a mauve. Kind of dragging it out as well. Now I'm creating a wing using this liquid liner from Jordana. I don't even know what it's called or what the color is called, but I know it's a electric blue color. That pinky mauve color that I put on the outer part of my crease, I'm also going to put it on my lower lash line. And now I'm going to line my lower lash line using NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. Now I'm going to volumize my lashes using this mascara from CoverGirl. This is their Super Sizer mascara in the color black brown. Yes, something like that. Today I'm going to be using these rainbow lashes 5-pack. I'm taking one of these and using these. I found these in my local beauty supply store, guys, and I'm in love with them. Alright guys, so basically done with the eyes. For primer, I'm using my Milani Prime Shield. Click the link on your screen right now to see the top 3 primers for black women. Especially if you're living in tropical climate, those primers will make your makeup stay on all day. Today I'm mixing 2 foundations. I'm mixing my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Max with my L'Oreal True Match. This is gonna give me like, you know, nice tropical type of coverage. Nothing too dewy, but at the same time not too matte. Say I never me want you. Yeah, if I know you, me no want no bad day. And if I know you, me can't get on it, girl. So how you walk away from me? Simple pencil make you draw away from me. Highlighting with the LA Girl Pro in Fawn. I want a heavy highlighter today because I want this look to be popping. I want it for like really stand out. So I'm gonna go in with a lot of concealer. Going to blend that out with my damp beauty blender, which it kind of feels dry, so let me get some water. I'm going to bake my highlight with the Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder, my favorite. Just gonna apply some of this under my eyes and just everywhere where I place the concealer. While I bake, I'm going to contour using the darkest brown from the same Santee Adorable Beauty Secret palette that I used before. Yeah. I actually love this, but I'm going to use a stippling brush to just brush away my excess baking powder. And I'm going to set my face with the Goody Dem powder, the Prisma from downtown. Yeah guys, I'm going to use some of this to just set the rest of my face. It's probably like the best powder I own, guys. Like, when you're living somewhere hot, like this is the powder for you, honey.
just remember get the naked. Cause girl, you watch class, that make you a top boss. One buy me a zoom zeng and few bends with the top off. Take you away like rapture, or do you like so
alright, so I'm going to do a bit of a blush. I'm using this kind of the lighter brown color, and I'm mixing it with this red to create a blush shade. I don't know what it's going to look like, but let's see.
I know you, me can't get down me, girl. So how you walk away from me? Simple pencil make you draw away from me, girl. Walk cut and leave, now you can't cut and leave. I know your seats a tough life, make enough man grave. What about the
I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brocade, and I'm going to use, if I can open it, I'm going to use this shade, which is Bubbly, to highlight my face.
Say I never me want you, yeah. If I know you, me no want no party. And if I know you, me can't get on me, girl. So how you walk away from me? Simple pencil make you draw away from me, girl. If I know you, me no want no party. And if I know you, me can't get on me, girl. So how you walk away from me?
Alright, now onto the lips. I'm using Lime Crime's Salem to line, and I'm gonna fill in with this cheap lip stick that I got from this beauty supply store as well. I just bought it because it was real cute and real cheap, and I might go over that with this Cassie lip gloss from SNS Cosmetics. All the info will be down in the description bar below if you guys want information on the products and where you can get them and so on. You can go ahead and ask me in the comment section.
Me can't stop that. If I know you, you know I'm not bad, yeah. And if I know you, me can't get down me, girl. So who you walk away from me? Simple pencil make you draw away from me, girl.
Guys, I'm just gonna add 2 rhinestones in my tear duct area. I just got this inspiration from like Karuchi's look in the last episode of Claws, which I have been loving. If you've not yet started to watch Claws, you're missing out. If you guys watch it and you like it, tell me in the comments below as well. Tell me what's your favorite TV show down there. Your favorite current TV show.
And if I know you, me can't get on me, girl. So how you walk away from me? Simple pencil make you draw away from me, girl. If I know you, me no want no party. And if I know you, me can't get on.
So guys, thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed watching me create this look. Go ahead and check out my girl makeup game on A1. Don't believe me? Check out her channel. The link will be down below in the description bar. Check out her videos. I hope you stick and stay for all the videos that are coming. Love you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.
Take you away like rapture, or do you like subtractor? Drive you crazy like tractor, cause baby, hear me, are your doctor. Girl, if I know you, me no want nobody.